If you've been seeing Modsera watches all over social media in 2025 and wondering whether these stylish, luxury-looking timepieces are truly worth buying or just another rebranded dropshipping product, this review gives you the full picture before you spend your money. Modsera markets its watches as high precision, premium designs inspired by luxury brands but sold at an affordable price. Their ads often highlight sapphire-coated glass, stainless steel durability, Japanese quartz movement, and water resistance, features that sound impressive for the price. The unboxing experience looks sleek in promotional videos, and the watches appear well-polished with modern aesthetics, suitable for casual and formal wear. However, when you dive into real customer experiences, the story becomes more mixed. Many buyers report that while the watches look stylish from a distance, the build quality does not match the premium image portrayed in Modsera's ads. Details like the weight, finishing, strap quality, and movement precision often feel more like budget-tier watches rather than mid-range luxury alternatives. Some users mention delayed shipping, difficulty reaching customer support, and inconsistent packaging, common issues with brands that rely heavily on viral ads and outsourced fulfillment. Another red flag is the lack of transparency. Modsera does not clearly reveal the manufacturer, movement supplier, or quality control standards. Watch enthusiast forums suggest that many of their designs closely resemble generic models found in large overseas marketplaces, raising the possibility that Modsera acts more as a branding and marketing company than a true watchmaker. That doesn't mean the product is worthless. Many customers genuinely enjoy the look and feel of their purchase, especially if they were simply seeking a fashionable accessory rather than a collector's timepiece. The watches do function reliably for everyday use, and the designs appeal to people who want an elegant style without spending on luxury brands. However, compared with reputable watch companies that disclose materials, provide consistent warranties, and have established service centers, Modsera falls short of expectations for a brand that markets itself as premium. My final verdict: Modsera watches are not an outright scam, but they are heavily overhyped. They provide decent style for the price, but buyers expecting true luxury-grade craftsmanship may be disappointed. If you want reliability and long-term durability, choose brands with transparent specs and proven manufacturing history. If you enjoy honest and realistic reviews that help you avoid misleading ads, make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns.